Hey guys, in this video that you're gonna see, I put about an 80-inch black oak on the mill, red oak, and I needed two 4x6s, 3.5 inches by 6 inches for a project I'm working on. And we're able to get them out. They're going on a project I've been working on for quite some time, last week or so, and I'm going to reveal that here shortly. But we ended up getting everything I wanted plus a few extra boards. So problem I had with that video is we had a lot of echo in the mics for some reason. So I'm reshooting the intro and I had to shoot the end again. So all right guys, enjoy the video, take care. All right, let's get this show on the road. Beautiful log, 10 1/4, 9 1/2. I need 3 I'm sorry, 2 3x6s, 3.5 by 6s. But I'm gonna get a few boards. I got 2 knots right here and 1 little itty bitty knot. Let me show you. So I'm gonna cut some boards off of this until I get down 6.5 inches or 6 inches, and then I'll cut my beams. Let me show you what I have. Here's the top, just those 2 knots, and there's the side. Little bit of juvenile wood there, but I am going to flip it up and get my boards out of this side here. Hey guys, that'll do it for that log. We did pretty good. We got the 2 4x6s out of it, or 3.5 by 6s, and I ended up getting right over there. Don't know if you can see them, but I ended up getting 4 6 by 3/4 by 80 plus inches, and 4 10 by 3/4 by 80 plus inches. So it worked out pretty good. One last thing before we close this video out. The weekend of October 7th, 8th, and 9th, I believe, we're going to be in Ohio for the Paul Bunyan Show, my wife and I. So if you see us there, hey, hit us up. We're looking forward to it. I've never been to that show before. So, and that'll do it. So we'll see you guys. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time.